Hey everyone, welcome back to SEO Mastery with Rojob. Today I'm diving into the ultimate on-page SEO optimization guide. We're not just covering the basics. I'll share advanced tactics that most people overlook. Title tags. Keep them between 50-60 characters and start with your main keyword. Meta descriptions should be 150-160 characters. Naturally include keywords and end with a call to action. Header tags. Use one H1 with your main keyword and sprinkle related terms in H2 and H3. Don't forget your images. Always add descriptive alt text and rename files with keywords. Content depth matters. Cover the what, why, how, tools, examples, and FAQs. Entity-based SEO is a game changer. Link to Wikipedia or recognized sources to connect your content. Drop a comment below on what SEO topic you want me to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.